In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Photos Magic Eraser. This powerful AI tool lets you remove unwanted objects from your pictures and automatically fill the background. Whether it's people, signs, or trash, Magic Eraser handles it all. It's available on Android phones, iPhones, and through the Google Photos app, but not on the web. Do remember though, it requires a Pixel phone for free access or a Google One subscription for most other devices. Let's start by opening a photo. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once the app is open, select the photo you want to edit. This is an essential step because choosing the right photo can make a big difference in your editing results. With your photo open, we can move on to the next step. Now, open the Edit tools. Tap on the Edit icon, which looks like a slider. Then scroll to the section labeled Tools. This menu houses all the editing features, and understanding its layout will help you navigate more efficiently in future edits. Next up, select Magic Eraser. Simply tap on Magic Eraser to activate it. At this point, you might notice a couple of options. You may see suggested objects, which are automatically detected by AI, or you might prefer using the manual erase tool where you draw over objects yourself. This flexibility is crucial because it allows you to choose the method that works best for your situation. Let's talk about removing objects. You have two ways to do this. Option A is using automatic suggestions. Tap on the highlighted objects or choose Erase All to remove them in one go. This is a great time saver when the AI detects everything you want to remove. On the other hand, option B is the manual erase. Circle or swipe over anything you want removed. Here, Google's AI will detect the object, remove it, and then rebuild the background seamlessly. It's quite impressive how the AI can reconstruct the background to make the edit appear natural. After removing the objects, it's time to save your edit. Tap Done to finalize the changes and then tap Save Copy. This ensures your original photo remains unchanged and you have a new edited version. It's always comforting to know that the original stays intact in case you want to try a different edit later. As we wrap up, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Not all phones will display the Magic Eraser option. This can depend on your device or Google One plan. Also, Magic Eraser works best on simple backgrounds like grass, sky, or walls. If your background is complex, the result might be slightly blurred or distorted. Lastly, some devices require an internet connection because the AI processing happens in the cloud. Understanding these limitations will help set your expectations and improve your editing experience. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using Google Photos Magic Eraser. With practice, you'll get more efficient and creative with your edits. Remember, this tool is designed to make your photos look their best with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!